third time being baptized, or first time being baptized in the set-apart name of Yahusha Ha'Mashiach. I just thank God. My prayer is just for him to just fill my heart with his wisdom, with his ruach, with his understanding, with his shalom, with his peace, and that his peace guard my heart and mind. And I just thank God for revealing more of himself to me, getting to know him in spirit and ruach and in truth. And I just feel blessed, and thank you.
Father, we come to you, Yahuah. We bring before you Bryan, Father, who desires you with his whole heart. He submitted his mind and heart to your word, to memorizing your word, to reading your word, Father. He desires you in his life, Father. Despite the ailments of his body, he realized you can heal him from anything. And right now he desires for you to fill him with your presence, fill him with your power in his life, Father. And we thank you for his presence with us and his public declaration. And we thank you for this baptism in the name of Yahusha Ha'Mashiach. Hallelujah.
Right now I baptize you in the name of Yahusha, Yahuah, and Ruach HaKodesh.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Yeah, that was amazing. Yeah, I was just thankful to be immersed in the set-apart name of Yahusha Ha'Mashiach. I was immersed in JC before, and I'm just so glad that he's revealing his truth and more of his wisdom. I'm getting to know him and ruach and in truth. And I'm just, it was awesome. It was cold. I felt like I was really dying, but it was, yeah, it was awesome. You know, I just thank y'all for his goodness, his mercy on me. Because I was a hot mess a few years ago, and yeah, he's been purging me, refining me like gold is refined the fire, getting rid of all that wood, hay, stubble, chaff, all that stuff. So thank you all, and shalom.